How to add a new card inside Revolut. So you want to get started and spend money from your Revolut account here, but therefore you need a card. So in order to get this, you can click on the card icon in the upper right corner, and here you can just simply click on Add New. And now you have the option between a physical or a virtual card. So physical is just a plastic card and you will get it sent back home. So here you can select the physical card, and if you like it, just click on it and then you can preview it, and you can even customize it, and you get a free card here on the premium plan. And if you go back and you don't want a physical card or a metal card or even the ultra card here, then you can just simply go back and add a virtual card. And here you can also select the styling of the card, for example, this black one, and then you can just get a free card. And now you can name the card, for example, vacation, and then you can click on create the card. And now the card is created for you, and you can add this to your Apple Wallet, or you can simply select not now. And now here is the card, and if you go back, you see your cards under this view. And as said, you can always add new cards. So this is how you add a card to your Revolut account. And of course, if you click on add new, you can add another card. You can also use it for your professional life. If you are a freelancer, then you also get 1% cash back on the physical card. And if you have kids, you can also create a physical card for them, and then even your kids can start using a card. So this is how you add cards to your Revolut account. You will see them all here, and then you can simply click on it and then you see the card details. But of course, I'm not showing you this. And yeah, if you want to get started with Revolut, you will find my link down in the video description. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and see you in the next one. Bye.